साहित्यसङ्गीतकलाविहीनः साक्षात् पशुः पुच्छविषाणहीनः. A man who has no interest in literature, music, and art is like an animal, even though he does not have horns and a tail. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the admission procedure of NIFT यानी National Institute of Fashion Technology. In this institute, the list of undergraduate programs is Bachelor of Designs, Fashion Designing यानी Bachelor of Designs, Leather Design LD, Bachelor of Design Accessory Design AD, Bachelor of Design Textile Design यानी TD, Bachelor of Design Knitwear Design that is KD, Bachelor of Design Fashion Communication FC, and one is under Bachelor of Fashion Technology. The eligibility for bachelor programs is Bachelor of Design as well as the Fashion Technology. The qualifying age is maximum should be 24 years. That means a candidate should be less than 24 years on 1st August of the year of the admission. The upper age limit may be relaxed by a period of 5 years for candidates scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and PWD, a person with disability categories. The educational qualification for Bachelor of Designs program, it is pass the +2 level examination in 10+2 pattern of examination from any recognized central or state board of secondary examination such as CBSE, or a pass grade in senior secondary school examination conducted by the National Open School of Examinations, or any public school board university examination in India or in foreign countries recognized by the Association of Indian Universities as equivalent to 10+2 system. Similarly, or a General Certificate of Education GCE examination London, Cambridge or Sri Lanka at advanced A level IB. For Bachelor of Fashion Technology BFTech program, the pass the +2 level examination in the 10+2 pattern of examination from any recognized central or state board, that is like CBSE, with physics and mathematics as a subject, or a pass grade in senior secondary school examination conducted by the National Open School with a minimum 5 subjects with physics and mathematics, or any public school board university examination in India or in foreign countries recognized by the Association of Indian Universities as equivalent to 10+2 system with physics and mathematics as a subject. Similarly, General Certificate of Examination GCE examination London Cambridge Sri Lanka at +2 level, at advanced A level with physics and mathematics IB. Note, candidates who are appearing in their board examination in the year of admission can also apply subject to fulfillment of necessary eligibility condition at the time of seat allotment or admission as mentioned in the admission prospectus वो जो आपको मिले. For more information, go to NIFT website, Google search National Institute of Fashion Technology, but be careful that you just see only official website. So I suggest type https://nift.ac.in and search the information. For more expected important dates, subscribe the channel and you will get all these information in the forthcoming video.